Hi, my name is Kinjal Chaudhary and I'm a data engineer. So if you all know me from my previous videos, you know that today we're gonna start with SQL. So SQL. So the first thing to start with the SQL, we should know that what is data. And from the previous classes, we understand what is data, and to make it to always keep in mind what is data. The first three things you need to keep in mind to remember what is data. The first thing is it's a raw fact. What it will do, it will describe the property or attribute of what of an entity. Right? We have understand this. Now, it the definition of data in SQL perspective is the same thing which I have told you, right? But if somebody asks you what is the data when it comes to organization or business perspective, so how we will define that? So data is nothing but a piece of information. What it will do? It will helps the organization or the business personals to to make decisions more effectively. Okay, so what is data? Piece of information which help who? The organization. For what it will help? For making the decisions more effectively. Okay, so coming to our next topic, which is database. What is database? So what database is nothing, it is a place or a medium. Okay, it's a place or a medium where we'll keep or store the data in a systematic and organized manner. So three things when somebody asks us what is database. So what we'll say, we have to keep three things in mind. First thing, it's a place or medium. What it will do, where we'll store the data, how it will store the data, in a systematic and organized manner, right? So in a simple word, how we can say that what is database, right? So suppose you have a folder which is a download, right? Download is a folder of yours. What it will do, suppose I download a Excel file, so it will keep the Excel file here. Then secondly, I download a movie, so it will keep the movie here. Then I download a CSV file, it will keep the CSV file. Then I got a picture, then I download a photo. So like this, it will have all types of files together in a download folder, right? But so this is not a systematic and organized manner where it is arranging. But suppose we have a file here which will only have the pictures, right? Then you open a file, what will happen? You'll get all the pictures in an organized manner, year wise, right? Year wise. This is 2018 pictures, this is 2020 pictures, this is 2024 pictures. Like that, it will be arranged, right? This is an example of nothing but a DB. So in DB, you'll always have structured, you'll always have data data stored in a systematic and organized manner. Okay, so as I told in the first video that we have three types of data, right? Structured, unstructured, and semi-structured, right? So in database, what type of data we'll have? We'll always have a structured data. Okay. Now, one more thing to keep in mind when it comes to database is that we can do CRUD operations on a database. What is CRUD? So, we can create, we can read, we can update or modify, and or we can delete. Okay. So, So what we can create, read, update and modify and delete in a database? Nothing but entity, right? So entity can be your table. For time being, you just keep in mind your entity is nothing. In SQL, it is a table. Okay. So coming to the conclusion, what is the database? Database is a place or medium, right? A place or, so it is nothing but, just keep in mind three things. It's a place or medium where we store the data. How? In a systematic and organized manner. That's it. And we can do a CRUD operations. CRUD is nothing but create, read, update and delete. That's it. Okay. In the next video, we'll understand what is DBMS. Thank you.